Welcome to my new channel. Now we are going to create a number range for a particular number or document. So now I'm going to take you for a KR document, whereas we are going to create a number range. When we are creating a FB60, that time I'm getting an error, and then we'll analyze the error with what is the number which has been addressed as for the create the number range. So now I'm going with the T code FB60 for manual incoming invoice. FB60, here my vendor will be, I'm giving a vendor, and this is my invoice date like 2610, and now I'll put it at test 1, and now I'll give the number amount 10,000 here. Just hit enter. Now it will give me error that number range is missing for 2022. It means the last years I have maintained, but this year I am not able to. This is in a month end closing scenario, whereas you need to be maintain the number range for all. But if it have been missed, or if you have created a new document type which was a new number range you are getting, that time also it will be useful for your number range to be maintained. Now the company code 1000 is my company code where I have posting here, and the number range of 19 is missing for the year 2022. I need to maintain the number range for the year 2022 for 19 number. So just this is the error, and just I'm going with the out here. Now I'm going with the T code FBN1 for number range to be maintained for a finance document. Just I'll put a enter here, asking me the number of company code. The company code number is 1000, and just I'm going with the number and hit enter now, and go to change interval. This is a display interval, and this is a change interval, or else what is the number, how many number range I have maintained here in the status. Just I have to create a number range for my company code 1000 for KR number. Just I'm clicking here. Now this is the 2019 I have created, but 2022 I have not created. If you can go ahead with the 2019. So just if you want, you can take here of copy, or else you can see it here, Control Y and copy, and Control C and go to new one. Here it is, and paste here and change the just document and financial year 2022, and hit enter now. Now it is comes to 18, 19 and 22 I have created. Save the document, save it, and it will ask me the number. And now just click here, a checkbox, and now it was the changes were saved. Now my number range has been updated here. Just I'm going to exit from this message and going out and going with the FB60 for document to create. I'll create one vendor where we are going with earlier, and this is the date of which we have to create, and this is a test, the reference number I'm giving here, and amount 10,000 giving here. And now just I'll hit enter, and this is the expenses account. I need to give you expenses account here because of here it's in a red. It means debit and credit has to be equal. So this is the expenses account. Any expenses here I have created, let us see. So this is the general expenses, general travel expenses I have. I'll click here for the general expenses, and I'll give the 10,000 rupees for. Now I need to hit one more error. Just I'm getting error now. let us see. And this is a warning message. If for the tax code, I can go with the receive object. It is as a expected for the posting. Now I hit enter. If there is no, I need to cost center to be select from the list of cost center for my total 1000. See, this is an cost center. Operating expenses, traveling expenses. Yes, it is the traveling expenses. Click here and enter. Now the tax code is okay, no problem. If it's a message, then you can ignore it and hit enter. Now it is green. Now go to simulation. And yes, it's giving me a message. And I'm simulating here. And this is the vendor is credited and expenses will be debited and save here. The document is going to create soon now. Now the document has been created. That is 1000000. It's a first number of for the year, financial year. So you can see, check here, and this is the document which has been created for us. Now I can display it from the here also, or else you can go with the FB03 for display and FB02 for change the document. Now we can see the general ledger view also. We can click here. That will be, this is the payable account as a vendor account which is assigned to the reconciliation account for the particular vendor, that is a credited, and 94,000 is a travel expenses for the GL account. Now this is, thank you so much for watching my video, and now we will meet for the issue with the, so you will get the error and how to resolve and where to go. So this is the kind of channel I have opened here, and it will help you for the each and every error, how to resolve and how to reactivate the any objects for the that particular error. Now thanks for your watching, and we'll meet in for next video. Thank you, and I request subscribe and like it and make a chance to be good. Thank you so much. Bye bye.